this video, you're gonna see how to use a scarf and scrunchie as helmet protection and for nighttime routine. Gather your curls in a loose bun. Get the scarf folded in half in the shape of a triangle. Cover the bun by crisscrossing the ends and bring the ends forward to tie it on the front. And after removing helmet, you can just fluff your hair so that the volume comes back. You won't need a bonnet if you have a large scarf. Follow the same tying method shown previously, but this time you will be tying your hair upwards in a pineapple basically. Using scarves are much effective than a bonnet because under a scarf curls are less likely to move and form tangles. Moreover, scarves are a multi-purpose product. You can use it in the day, night, after refresh, after wash to prevent frizz and to keep the curls in shape. So yeah, check it out.